Hi everyone, Sarah here. How's everybody doing today? I have another unbagging to share with you. These are some more products that were sent to me from Fansells to review and share with you here on my channel. Super excited to share these with you guys. They were sent again in the plastic mailing bag. These ones came pretty quick, I would say. I'm waiting on like 4 companies. I had to rip it open so I could see which one it was. I was waiting on 4 companies, and I would say Fansells was kind of in the middle from ordering standpoint, and they made it to me first. So I forgot to write down the dates to share with you guys when it was shipped, but I would say they are the fastest. But I have some great items to share with you guys. And that's it. So we have 3 diamond paintings and we have some accessories. So let's start off with the accessories. Normally I do not pick accessories, but I couldn't pass these ones up. So the first thing I picked were these new heart-shaped trays, and they all are different prices. This time I wrote down all the prices in Canadian. So for these trays, the purple is the cheapest. Purple was 95 cents. Pink was $1.19 and the teal was $1.45. They are all exactly the same. It is just the color. So I don't know why one's more expensive than the other, but I had to have them all. I don't normally go for shaped trays, but these have lids, so I thought it would be super cool. And they are so cute. They have a little diamond and some stars etched into it. I don't know if you can see that. And here's the lids. And when you open it up, each of them is a tray. So technically you're getting 2 trays. But then if you want to keep your drills in here and just close it off and put it to the side, you can. So again, they are all exactly the same. They're so cute. Let me grab... My measuring tape is not here. Somebody stole my measuring tape. So we will grab a ruler. So in inches, it is 2 3/4 is the widest part of the heart. And then just a little bit over 2.5 from top of the heart to the bottom there. So just a tiny, tiny little thing, but you're working on a little special project or you want to take something on the go, they are super cute. The colors are so pretty too. So that's that. And then again, I don't usually pick these like novelty pens, I would call them, but this one is so cute and it's squishy, and I have a thing for squishy. I think it's an owl with a little bunny on top, and he's like super squishy. I just noticed that there's the pen. So it's just a basic drill pen with a squishy cover. So cute. So you can push it all the way down to the bottom and you have a nice squishy part on your hand. And I just pulled the drill tip right out. Look at me go today. There you go. So just a cute little pen, and this little guy, squishy pen, they do have different characters, but this one that I picked, they are all the same price, I believe, at $1.80. So $1.80 for the squishy pen. So we'll put them up to the side, and then I think this is the smallest one because it feels pretty thin. So let's go with this one first. I didn't pre-prep myself here. Usually I pre-cut them so that you guys don't have to watch me struggle. It's a long weekend here in Canada too, so it's having a nice break. There you go. So we have a regular toolkit with a boat, a piece of wax, and just a plain pen. Nothing fancy there. And this super cute little tiny canvas, as you can see, is adorable little bee with a heart. And it's one of the special drills with all the different shapes. It was just so adorable. This one, it's 18 by 18, and it was $3.45. So here are our drills. There's no DMC codes. There actually is no legend, but they have the code on here. So this is number 1, number 2, and you can see in here we have, there's our number 1s, number 2. So all of the codes are here on the bags. So it starts off with some really pretty pink crystals. There's a bigger size pink crystal, even bigger light pink crystal. And then we have these gorgeous iridescent clear ones. I just love those ones. They're so pretty. We have some solid black. And then there's the small yellow. It's a pretty color of yellow. A medium yellow and a large yellow. And then we have the regular clear, a medium clear, the large clear, and then we have red, medium red, large red. We have this pretty orange color, and our heart shapes. So the heart shapes you can see throughout the background back here. So he's going to be super, super cute. I'm sure he'll work up really quickly. I will share him with you guys as soon as he's done. But so adorable. Oh, I guess I can measure him with my ruler. So it was 18 centimeters by 18, but with the border, it's 14 and a half by 15. So it's just got a small border on it there. So cute. Okay, next one. Let's go with this one. I think I know which one it is. Just guessing by size. Yep. Ta-da! We have some very cool dudes here. These are the beach gnomes. It is a 40 by 50 and it's square drill. Yay! So excited about this. Actually, it averages 40 by 50, but here it says 35 by 50. Maybe I wrote that down wrong. Here's the legend. DMC codes. We have symbols, letters. Yeah, just symbols and letters. There's 25 colors. The sign here is supposed to say it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's not, I would say it's probably not legible, but we'll see. He's got some sunglasses on, a drink in his hand, then the beach ball, and you can see the little flip-flops. It's a very, very sparkly canvas. Nice and clear and super, super sticky. Looks really nice. Here's the toolkit, just a tray, wax, and a pen. Nothing fancy there. And then drills. Again, it's a square, so super excited. Let's see if you guys can see the little thumbnail. The cute little guys. We've got some bright colors. The bags have the drill number, that's the canvas code, and it says 8 ounces. Black, gray, purple, another gray. They look good. There's little dimples on the bottom, but that's okay. Does not affect anything. These poor guys got stuck. Super bright green, orange, like a flesh tone. I love this color. So 2 bags. Yeah, 2 of that. I want to say 775. Yeah. Pretty color. Got another nice green, and then we have 4 different blues in there for our water and sky. He's gonna be cute. So let's see if we can do this with the ruler. It says 35 by 50, and we are 29 3/4 by that's 30 and a half. Let's go with a half. Almost 45. So, oh, it is 30. 30 by 45. Then it should be 35 by 50. So it's got a 5 centimeter border on either side. I think that is going to be so cute. My first gnome. I'm pretty sure these are my first gnomes. Yeah, exciting. All right, we'll slide that up there. And the last one we have, oh, those gnomes were $10.40 Canadian. Here's the last one in this package. This one is one that I had not seen before. So I don't know if it's new, but it's going to be super long. So we'll start here. So far, I would say I am impressed. It's a 90 by 30. There are 23 colors. It is all letters and DMC codes. I'm sure you can guess by now that it's going to say blessed. Here's our toolkit. We have 2 trays, 2 chunks of wax, and 2 pens. Oh, and our drills are in baggies, and it's round drill. So down at the bottom, it says, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. And I can definitely read it. I don't think there's going to be any issues with that. And then, of course, the letters here that have the different textures and images in them definitely are legible. I think that that is going to be super awesome. It might be a little bit hard on the eyes. You definitely want a light pad to work on this one with the dark colors and the letters, but it's doable. I think that that one is going to be really, really nice. The only issue I have is with framing that. All right, so for the drills, I hate taking these ones out of the baggies, but you know. This one was $13.88. So we have a lot of dark colors, obviously. They have tiny writing. They're numbered, so they correspond with the numbers. And then this is the canvas code, the ZWA2790. And I believe it does have the DMC code on it, but very tiny. But they look really good. Lots of blues and grays, neutral colors. And then we got a pop of pink. I believe that's for our E over here. Oops. Brown, there's a beige, another gray. And then I believe this one, yeah, is our 310 is going to be all around. And it's not entirely 310. Not sure if you can see in there, there's some K's. So it's kind of like a distressed background, so it's not solid black. But yeah, that one looks really great. Very excited to get working on that one. Thank you again to Fansells for sending me these products to share with you guys. I am working away so I can share the finished projects so you can see not only the unboxings but how they turn out, to see if it's something that you would like to work on. And yeah, so that's it for this one. Oh, let me quickly, I can't measure the entire thing, but I can tell you it's supposed to be 90 by 30 and the width is just shy of 25. And let's see, 30, 30, 60, just shy of 85. So again, a 5 centimeter border on all sides. So that is it. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which one's your favorite. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.